kainin yung isang pagkain hanggang sa mabusog kami.
So, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-diet? Hindi kayo pwedeng mag-tipid ng pagkain?
Kasi
Kailangan kumain kayo.
actually, nag-burn naman po yung talaga yung training namin. Para bumabawi namin yung lakas namin.
I know that you girls have no restrictions pagdating sa diet niyo. You can eat anything. But when you are in your game season, kailangan yung mag-maintain ng weight. So, meron akong chef that is going to help me cook up some stuff for you para matulungan kayo bumalik dun sa ideal weight that you have to maintain during game season. So, pwede kayo bumalik sa practice niyo and then mamaya, I can bring you the food that you can snack on and even baon pagdating sa game season niyo. Alright? So, hang in there and I'll be back. Guess what? We brought the chefs here in their practice. So I'm with Chef Bay and Chef One of Chef Monday. Monday Chef. Of course, you've seen the girls. You see how they practice. Sobrang rigorous ng training nila, di ba? So they really need the energy for that, and especially for the game. So what did you prepare for us?
The chicken parmesan sandwich. The main ingredient is actually the chicken and the apple and then the bread. So the bread I use the whole grain. So yung whole grain kasi rich in fiber yan eh. So merong feeling of fullness sa player. So hindi sila masyado makapag-train. Yung talagang para mabigat.
What other food did we prepare?
We prepared a fish, a coated oatmeal fish with apple. It's actually a complete meal na kasi may oatmeal, may fish which is rich in protein, tapos yung apple naman which is rich in carbohydrates.
There's another dish that we're preparing?
Yeah.
Okay, Chef Mon.
This is actually Mediterranean salad, pesto pasta, with of course mixed vegetables. So I have here a lid. We put some pesto. Yeah, salami, sun-dried tomatoes. Kung walang sun-dried tomatoes, pwede rin fresh tomatoes. And wine vinegar. So, didrisa lang natin siya ng konti. So, the dish that we prepare here are rich in protein, of course. Protein, carbohydrates, and fat. Because of the oil, the salami, may protein siya. And vegetables, rich in carbohydrates.
Okay, why don't we
Lastly, it's actually the same as
The salad. But we're using rice.
Right. So, madali lang siya. It's actually a brown rice salad. So, ang kailangan lang natin sa din, bell peppers, fresh.
Kasi marami kayong makukuha na benefits from brown rice. So medyo low yun siya. Sugar content for mga diabetic na mga tao. Tsaka high in fiber din siya.
So, we want to prepare here a vinaigrette. Then, we mix it.
Okay, now, I can't wait to let our girls try the dishes that you prepared for them. Ay, naku, galing sila sa training. So, I'm sure gutom sa mga to. April, how do you like the sandwich? Masarap? Talaga? Malasa ba siya? Is it something na hahanapin mo pagkatapos ng practice? Or does it taste bland to you? Parang mas gusto mo yung mga mas kanin talaga yung ulam? Masarap. You're enjoying it. Talaga. And you're getting a lot of good benefits from that. From like carbohydrates, protein. So it's a full meal in itself. Your vitamins and minerals. Saka wheat bread yung ginamit. So it's better than using white bread. So talagang good nutrients yung makukuha niyo dyan. Liberate yourself from bland baon to surprisingly healthy and sumptuous snacks.